Welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making dark chocolate German gingerbread. I'm going to put my saucepan onto a low heat and I'm going to melt butter into my saucepan and then add honey and warm it through. I'm now going to turn it off and leave to one side. While I'm waiting for my honey and butter to cool, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients into my bowl. I'm going to add flour, almonds, dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, grounded cloves, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, one and a half teaspoons of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For my wet ingredients, I'm going to add 1 orange juice, and an egg. I'm now going to add in, a little bit at a time, my butter and honey mixture. I'm now going to put my mixture in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to dry it out. I've lined a baking tray with grease-proof paper. I'm going to take my dough and roll it into little balls. I'm now going to flatten them down. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake my biscuits in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. While my gingerbread biscuits cool, I'm going to melt some chocolate in the microwave. I'm now going to leave it to cool slightly. I'm going to take my biscuits and dip the top into my chocolate. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.